Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Biswas and I am back with my third project of my internship at Ivy Professional School, which is prediction of anime ratings using R. The entire project was done under the guidance of my mentors Ajanta and Riti, without whom this would have been an impossible task to execute. This was really a special project for me since I am an anime fan myself, though not as hardcore as some of you, and also because of the fact that I learned the most during this particular project since I do not come from a statistics background. Before we talk about the problem statement itself, let's discuss what an anime is. The term anime is Japanese for animation or cartoon. Like Western animation, there are various genres like sports, action, magic, horror, romance, you name it. Anime is published through various middle media channels like DVD, web streaming services, TV series, etc. all over the world. Now that you all have got the exposition, let's talk about the problem statement. So the objective here is to develop a multiple linear regression model which can predict the ratings of various anime broadcasted through different media channels and also highlight the factors which affect the ratings both positively and negatively. The dataset I used for this project was taken from Anime Planet, which is the first anime and manga recommendation database. It contains the web scraped information about anime releases from 2005 to 2020. Some of the features the title, number of episodes, season of release of the anime, the number of votes which contribute to the ratings, and of course the rating itself. One of the mandatory steps before developing a model is data preparation. The problem was also not an exception. During this step, I created two additional feature engineered variables called studios cleaned and number of tags, which sadly became redundant along with other variables like title, description, tags, and studios, since these were qualitative variables and consisted of too many unique values. I also conducted missing value treatment and outlier treatment of relevant variables during this process. The following slides describe through charts the univariate and bivariate analysis conducted on the variables to determine the final predictors to be used in the model. In this histogram, we can see that almost all the continuous variables are highly skewed. Ratings is our dependent variable. This is a bar plot of categorical variables with the frequency. We can see that TV has the highest frequency for media type and most of the anime are not ongoing. Here we have the correlation plot of the continuous variables with each other. The following two slides contain bar plots of categorical variables with each other of the continuous variables. We can see that in every case media type TV is at the highest spot and anime which are not ongoing takes the cake every time. After conducting correlation test and ANOVA test, I got the final set of predictors which are to be used in the model. They are want to watch, votes, media type, and ongoing. These are the model statistics on the trained data. Mean accuracy achieved was 80.93%. The mean accuracy achieved on the test data was 81.21%, which is evident from the model statistics. To improve the accuracy of the model, I took log transformations of some of the continuous variables which were exhibiting high skewness. After running the model on train and test data, I finally got the significant variables which statistically explain the dependent variable ratings. They are media type movie, TV special and web, ongoing and votes. Now comes the interpretation of the significant variables. We can see that media type movie and TV special are giving higher ratings while media type web is giving lower ratings than that of DVD special. The anime which are ongoing are improving the ratings than that of those which are not broadcasted anymore. Also, the number of votes contributing to the overall ratings are also improving it. As for business recommendations to the production studios, they should focus on certain key attributes which are impacting the ratings by allocating higher budget to ongoing shows, promoting movie and TV special through various social media channels, create new ways for the viewers to vote their favorite shows, and most importantly, media type web which is hampering the ratings. That is all about my project. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please leave your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Bye.